guys, it's me, Seven, and today I got a squishy package, and this one is from the new store, and I just bought two squishy because this one is a new store, and I just want to try to buy from this store, and I don't know if, this store is nice or what, so I just want to try to buy two first. So I got two squishies now, and here's the squishy package. So I just got this morning. Yeah. So, yeah. And so here's the package. And there's nothing on the front, even on the back. Nothing. So, but it's fine, 'cause, So let's just open. I think if I like this package, I will buy the things from the seller again. And this one is from not creamy candy, okay? What is that? Oh, there's the worst. So I got this package from candyapple.com. And yeah, so I got this. That one is a new store, and the name is candyapple.com. And yeah. So let's get started to open. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I got the squishies, but I didn't see so clear. Oh, now I see it. So I'm just going to take one of these things. Oh, I got this thing here, and I think I don't know. I think this one is free for me. And I think I got a free candy and a free cute note. Got some free things, I'm just going to take it out. Okay. Wow. Just going to close this first. So here's what I got. I got one candy, and I think this one is strawberry taste. Yeah, and there's a cute rabbit on it. So thank you so much, Apple Candy. Or you can call it Apple Candy or Candy Apple, but I think it's Apple Candy. But I think it's Candy Apple. Oh no, it's Apple Candy, but yeah. So I got a candy. Thank you, Apple Candies. I really like this. Yeah. So here's the cute paper, or you can just call it cute note. So I got this thing here, this yellow sticky paper, whatever it is. It's a little bit sticky. And this one I got a Rilakkuma note. I mean a Rilakkuma cute paper. Or note, I keep saying that. So there's nothing on the back. Just like this. And I really like this, so thank you. And I got a note. This note. And I think it's inside of like a plastic. So I'm just going to take it out from the front, from the top. So I'm just going to pull it out. And so here's the plastic. And I really like it. I don't know why she put it inside of plastic, but yeah. So it says here, 1 ice cream squishy, 1 chai blush bun. So I just got 2, but this is 1 ice cream squishy, 1 chai blush bun, and it says here, no refund, and it says here, hope you like the squishies, and yeah. But it says no refund, but hope you like the squishies. Yeah, hope I like the squishies. There's a smiley face here. And then there's a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to take. So the first one I got is, this thing. So this one is so cute. Has a kawaii face. Wait, is this? Oh, no. So it has a kawaii face on it. I really like it. It has a kawaii face on it. I really like the kawaii face. Can you see that? There's kawaii face on it. And this one is really kawaii. Comment down below how many times I say kawaii. I keep saying kawaii. And now I say kawaii again. And I say again. And I say again. So here's the kawaii face. And then I say it again. It has pink or red chick. I think it's a pink chick. It's like red. Pink chick. And it's so cute. Okay. So it's super squishy, but not too like surprising, but yeah. I hope this is not broke itself, cause and here's the back. And it has some holes on here, but I think it's fine. So yeah. So I think got another one, and this one is, oh, I think this one is second. So I'm just going to check out the note now. So one ice cream squishy, I believe this one is the ice cream squishy, and one chai blush bun, and I think this one is one chai blush bun, but yeah. So it doesn't write the price, doesn't have the price on here. I think she forgot to write the price on here. There's no price, so I don't know. But I think I still remember what's the price, so yeah. And here's the ice cream squishy. And here's the squishy, so I really like this. It's going to press it. So here's the squishy ice cream squishy. I'm just going to press it one more time because it's just so squishy. I really like it. So I really like this too, and these two are so squishy, and yeah. So thanks guys for watching this video. So hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up for this video. And comment down below and subscribe. I mean subscribe, not like, yeah, but you should like. And please comment down below how many times I say kawaii. So yeah, I say kawaii, and now I say kawaii again. So yeah, thanks guys for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Kawaii, kawaii, kawaii. You still see my face. Even though I do like this, you can still see my face. So bye.